you should get up and dance to it. Hey, nice feet. Mawhaatu kia kai. Whakawea, yeah. Oh, hey, how are you? How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How was that 1961? I was supposed to come, eh? Whakaatu? Oh. Do you just get invited to the other ones as well? And you go along to it? Like this one?
Oh, Ela, my cousin, but she's delayed on a flight.
Okay. Okay. Hello, lovely ladies. Nice to see you both. Nice. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Hey. What's wrong? Yeah. Why you do that for? Oh yeah. I want to do that. Yeah. This is a lovely group, 1962. Yeah, babe, I'm waiting for you, and then I better save some data for you, and then Hey, what is this celebration called?
This is the Cook Island one. It's only two. Cook
Okay.
Island and Sanhok.
Oh, okay. Rahama, Mary. Okay. Hi. Lavatu haki akoa, mamatua. Malolo. Yeah. Merry Christmas. After you, babe.
So good.
Oh, good. Getting ready. See who's there. We're going to do an item. This is for the year 1962. If you were born in 1962,